Every process begins where nature delivers its raw strength. Timing the harvest defines the quality of the milk ahead.
Only mature, intact coconuts move forward in the chain.
Outer layers are stripped away to reveal the core. Traceability begins before the factory doors are reached.
Raw harvest now enters industrial logistics.
Distance is controlled to preserve freshness. The transformation site comes into view.
Every load is verified before entry.
Raw coconuts are now ready for factory processing. Industrial handling begins the moment raw material enters the line. Contamination risks are controlled from the first meter inside.
Surface cleaning removes soil before water contact.
Water washing eliminates remaining contaminants. Uniform motion ensures uniform cleanliness. Moisture control prepares shells for inspection.
Human judgment reinforces machine precision.
Only compliant material proceeds. Order is essential before transformation begins. Breaking the shell unlocks the usable core.
Unwanted material is removed immediately.
Precision inspection prevents downstream damage.
Purity begins with removing the final natural barrier. Nothing is wasted in modern processing. Clean water ensures clean flavor. Moisture is controlled before grinding. Structure is reduced to release natural oils. Uniformity ensures efficient extraction. The core ingredient is now ready for transformation.
Automation controls consistency before extraction begins.
Pressure separates milk from fiber.
Scale is achieved through synchronized systems. Separation creates multiple product streams. Filtration refines texture and clarity. Centrifugal force perfects purity. Temperature stability preserves flavor. Texture is engineered for consistency.
Human oversight guides automated precision. Transformation is complete. Refinement begins. Precision begins with controlled distribution.
Stability defines shelf life. Purity is refined at the microscopic level.
Consistency is mathematically engineered. Safety is secured without compromising taste. The final touch shapes mouthfeel. Sterility is maintained until the final moment. Precision processing gives way to final verification. Quality control begins with precise sampling. Traceability follows every drop. Composition defines compliance.
Safety is verified beyond visibility.
Texture is measured, not assumed.
Approval releases the product forward.
Testing clears the path to packaging.
Verified quality moves forward with confidence.
Packaging begins where precision meets speed.
Sealing protects freshness beyond the factory.
Every package is verified before release.
Information travels with every unit.
Automation accelerates large-scale distribution.
Stability ensures safe transport. Storage maintains readiness for demand.
Distribution completes the production cycle.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut milk from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.